Poland, kumusta kayo po? My name is Louie.
My name is Marco Nanan of Pampanga, where we discover great places for you to check out.
For today's vlog, we're gonna be Korean feels.
Yes.
Nandito tayo ngayon sa KS Seoul Mart. This is located along Jose Abad Santos Avenue dito sa may Magliman. Ayan guys, oh. And papasok tayo, titignan natin yung mga groceries and mga 50% items, bro.
Actually, doon ako interested sa mga 50% until supplies last.
Guys, if you wanna know more about this, samahan niyo po kami.
So tara, let's go!
Alright guys, so dito sa section ng Korean Mart na to, nandito yung mga iba-ibang klaseng merchandise at saka mga items, no? Dito naman, iba-iba yung mga makikita natin. So we have tables, mga plastic containers. Ito yung mga chairs natin. I think this is for dining or for outdoor. And then, dito sa banda dito, meron tayong iba-ibang mga tables, no? So this is a rack. So yung mga price natin dito ay 50%. If you notice, this is 1,500. This is just 750 for this one. Look at that. Oh, diba? So meron din tayong mga kitchenwares. So like plates, melanin wares, toys. Pansinin nyo, dito yung mga comforter, mga, what do you call this? Mga bed sheets and everything. Ganda, ang dami guys, oh. Again, mga prices natin dito are 50% off. So example, you come here and then you notice ang price natin dito. Like for this one, this is 2,320 yung price niya. Look at that. Less 50%. Everything here is 50% off. Dito sa section na to kung saan I got really interested dito sa mga tables natin. Yan, so usually these are mga living room tables or even yung mga bedroom tables. And then meron din tayong mga gaming chairs. Ayan, so just few steps away from this section. Ito na yung grocery store natin. Brother, look at this!
Yun, ang daming pwedeng pagpilian. Mga Korean products na hinahanap daw. Mostly nandito.
Yung noodle section natin.
Favorite noodles natin.
Correct.
Ramen.
Shit. Veggie ramen noodle. Oh, para sa mga vegetarian. Sargatompang. May mga pupunta dito just for resell mga Korean products. Okay. So for this section, more noodles. And then on this right side ko naman mga
Snacks.
Korean snacks. This one is new, wasabi almond.
Kung gusto mo ng maliit and malaki. Pwede naman mawawala dyan yung mga meat natin. So meron tayong meat dito. Ayan, so meron tayong beef, pork, yung mga
Bulgogi pizza?
Bulgogi pizza.
Wow.
Ngayon lang ako nakakita nito, bulgogi pizza. Vienna sausages.
Ham.
Ang dami. Ang daming option dito. More option pang shabu-shabu and even corn dog meron din dito.
Corn dogs.
Mozzarella crispy.
Wow.
Mga ready to cook na mga parang mga mozzarella cheese fries.
Okay, last on this section, this grocery part natin for mga cleaning, mga health cares. Shampoo. So ito yung mga hot pot, mga golden pot. Used for ramen, used for
Kinuha yung pang soup.
So sa mga mag-start ng mga
Businesses.
Business, Korean restaurant, something like that, you can have your mga items po dito. Right, still dito po sa KS Seoul Korean Mart, meron silang snack bar dito. Meron tayong mga kimbap, ramyeon, rice meals like bimbap, kimchi, bulgogi, of course, and tteokbokki. Good. Hey, dito ka na.
Alright, so syempre after nyo grocery or maghanap ng mga furniture, dito kayo kakain naman.
Yun.
This is ano po?
Bulgogi.
Bulgogi kimbap.
Ito,
Ito po yung classic kimbap.
Classic.
Ito po yung with
Tuna.
cheese.
Cheese.
Ah, this one.
Opo.
Okay.
This is
Tapos
yung tuna.
Tuna mayo.
This is
Alright.
ang tuna.
Yes po.
What is this?
Tteokbokki overload.
Ayan.
Okay.
Masamida. Look at that. What? Alright. Yung sa akin naman guys, spam and egg. This is another place for you to check out if you're into Korean items, groceries, products, and everything. And even food. Check out KS Seoul Grocery Mart. This is located this on my tourism terminal.
Yes.
Sebat Santos Avenue, Magliman. Napaka-accessible guys.
And they're open from 8 a.m. until 11 p.m. Monday to Sunday.
There you have it guys. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. You share it with your friends and please support Pampanga and lahat po ng mga local businesses dito. Thank you so much for watching.
So that's it. Thank you for watching. We're in Pampanga. Until our next discovery. Peace out.
Bye guys.